Hello. That was my brother, as you well know. He was well versed in the role of doing the man of the camera work that was being the object of being in it with, you know. We have many, many birds flying in the sky too, as well as the Canada geese on the ground, their relatives, you know. Like the great Carl Sagan said, trees are the human beings' distant cousins. Yes. Well, the birds of the sky. Yes, and the birds of the ground. Oh, yeah. Very close relatives. They're not distant at all. No, 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 no. But oh, look over here. We have water. You know, there are so many things I would love to tell you about, but I think I will only tell you about the things of the geese. The water we will save for another time, because this is so very special to my heart. Goodbye to you.